Hello, good morning, student. Welcome to the BM classes. I am Vishnu Mohammed, lecturer in English, Piravati Women's College, Teresinga. Today, I am going to teach you how to write paragraph writing or the paragraph writing. How to write a paragraph in English. How to write paragraph very easily and confidently or correctly. How to write paragraph. Student, all of you may be aware of this paragraph writing. I think that maybe some of you don't know about how to write paragraph writing. So that today we discuss the paragraph writing. If you are newer, please subscribe my channel to update with me. Paragraph is a paragraph is a combination of sentence. Each sentence is a combination of words. Paragraph is a combination of different sentence. A paragraph is a combination of different sentence. As a sentence is a combination of different words. Paragraph is, as you know that and understood, the paragraph is a combination of different sentence. As a sentence is a combination of different words. We are already discussed in our previous class how to write a good sentence. Please, if you don't see that video, go to the I bottom and see that video. How to write a good sentence and how to write a good paragraph. As you know that, we already know that paragraph is a combination of different sentence. As a sentence is a combination of different words. Paragraph केते गुड़िए सेंटेंस को नहीं गठित होता है आउ सही सेंटेंस केते गुड़िए वर्ड बा शब्द मान को नहीं गठित होता है. इफ यू डोंट नो द how to write sentence or paragraph, you are the meaningless. That means you are meaningless and in English because you are unknown about the paragraph, but you are reading the paragraph and understanding. If you don't know the composition and how to write paragraph, today in this video we should confirm that how to write paragraph very easily. Before that, we must know about the sentence words. If you don't know that, then click my I button and see my previous video how to write a good sentence. A sentence is a group of words. A sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense and which makes complete sense. A single word can be a sentence. In some cases, a single word may be a sentence. But we know that paragraph is a combination of different sentences. But a sentence is also a combination of different words. Different words, different sentence, paragraph. Different words, different sentence, paragraph. A single word can be a paragraph. A single word cannot be a sentence. A single word cannot be a paragraph. A paragraph is a combination of different sentence. A paragraph is a such a type of writing which include different sentence or combination. As you know that sentence is verb, subject, verb, object, complement, etc., etc. Like that, a single sentence cannot be a paragraph. It may be more than 3 to 4 5 lines to make a paragraph, and that paragraph have a valid meaning, have a sense, have a valid meaning, and the paragraph must have a some idea, content, and paragraph must have some meaning. ଯେମିତି ପାରାଗ୍ରାଫ ଲେଖାଯାଇଥିବ କିନ୍ତୁ ତାର କୌଣସି ମିନିଂ ନଥିଲେ that cannot be called as paragraph. Paragraph is something which tell us something. Paragraph is that's kind of paragraph, and paragraph is that one who gives some information about some topic or some person or something else, anything else. Paragraph is such a combination of different sentence as a sentence is combination of different words. Now we start a paragraph writing. How to write a paragraph? If you want to write a paragraph on dog, first you have to write dog is a dog is a domestic animal. He has four legs, one head, two eyes, has a long mouth and a long tail, etc. etc. These can be paragraph, and these have this different type of sentence words. Let's write a small paragraph on cow. Okay, cow. Cow is a domestic animal. Cow is a domestic animal. She eats grass. She eats grass. She has four legs. She has four legs. Cow has two ears and two eyes. Cow has a long tail. She has a long tail. Cow has two horns. And etc. etc. You can describe it, may be 2 to 3 5 sentence or maybe more than 5 sentence. Now look at this whiteboard. Cow is a domestic animal. Cow is a domestic animal. Cow is a domestic animal is a sentence. In this sentence, cow is the subject. Cow is the subject and domestic animal is the object. Subject plus verb plus object. Subject, verb plus object. These are in the pattern of the a good sentence. So that we should go to the next sentence. She eats grass. She stand for the cow. The pronoun form of cow is she. She eats grass. She is the subject of this sentence and eats is the verb. And grass is the object. Grass is the object. Like that. Every sentence sentences have subject, verb, object, and not a single word. It compose and it is the collection of different words and combination of different words. Cow is a domestic animal. Cow is a domestic animal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words. In the first sentence, 5 words are there. In the second sentence, 3 words are there. In the third sentence, 4 words are there. In the fourth sentence, cow has 2 ears and 2 eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 words are there. In the fifth sentence, she has a long tail. 5 words are there. Cow has 2 horns. 4 words are there. And the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this paragraph, 6 sentences are there, and all the sentences have so many words. And now we confirm that the paragraph is a combination of different sentence, like that. There is the different sentence which combine and call as paragraph on cow. And paragraph is such a combination of different words as a different sentence as sentence has sentence combination of different words. We confirm that a paragraph has different sentence and a sentence has different words. Confirm that? Yes or no? तो आज ये पढ़ा स्टूडेंट इफ यू लाइक माय क्लास लाइक शेयर कमेंट और सब्सक्राइब करने भूलिब ना आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू एवरी चैप्टर एवरी लेसन फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट सो दैट लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल थैंक यू